Why the Terra Classic price prediction as end of correction pattern hints 34% upsurge, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's talk about, will the Lunc price regain 0.30's $2? The Terra Classic price experienced a significant downturn in December, marking a new correction phase from its high of 0.30's $28. The coin's value plummeted by over 49% within a month, struggling to find stability above 0.30's $135. However, the emergence of a bullish reversal pattern, coupled with Binance's Lunc burn mechanism, might provide the momentum needed for buyers to regain strength. Analyzing the daily time frame chart, the Terra Classic price demonstrates a falling wedge pattern. This pattern, characterized by its converging trend lines, indicates a gradual decrease in bearish momentum, potentially signaling an opportunity for buyers to take control. The market's awareness of this pattern is evident from the multiple reversals occurring at these trend lines. While the crypto market currently faces uncertainty, this pattern suggests that the Lunc price may only temporarily continue its downward trajectory before a significant breakout occurs. A breakout above the upper boundary of this pattern would signify an end to the correction phase and could lay the groundwork for a recovery trend. If this scenario unfolds, the post-breakout rally could target a 32% gain, reaching as high as 0.20's $193. The broader crypto market sentiment is tilting towards optimism, largely influenced by the anticipation of a Bitcoin spot ETF approval in January. Yet, if the Lunc price were to break below the lower trend line of the falling wedge pattern, it could intensify selling pressure. Such a move would challenge the bullish perspective and could extend the correction trend down to 0.30's $115, signaling a deeper setback for Terra Classic. Now let's talk about why the Terra LUNA Classic faces turbulence. Within the past 24 hours, Terra LUNA Classic has experienced a retracement in value due to the community's rejection of an 800 million USTC fire proposal. Disagreement among validators and members has characterized this decision, which has caused significant repercussions on the cryptocurrency market. The burn of 800M USTC funds proposal, designated 11927, was approaching rejection by the Terra LUNA Classic community. The initiative aimed to expend a substantial quantity of USTC in the Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet before the December 27th voting deadline. This course of action was considered critical after Risk Harbor was informed that the keys had been misplaced, thereby preventing the recovery of funds. Notwithstanding the pressing nature of the matter, the proposal received a mere 30% of the vote in favor, while 11% expressed opposition and 15% opted to veto it. A notable 44% of the total ballots were cast in abstention. The division of opinion within the community underscores the intricate nature of decision-making processes on decentralized finance platforms. As a result, the token price of the Terra LUNA Classic has been impacted. Lunc experienced a daily decline of 6.78% and is currently trading at 0.30's $145. CoinMarketCap reports that the token fluctuated, with a 24-hour trading range of 0.30's $142 to 0.30's $157. During the decline, the 24-hour trading volume of Lunc increased by 11% to $77.14 million, while the market capitalization of Lunc fell by 5.92% to $860.37 million. Despite the price decline, this increase in trading volume indicates a growing interest and level of activity in Lunc, with investors possibly purchasing additional tokens at reduced prices. Similarly, the value of USTC experienced a decline of 5%, as it is presently trading at 0.0's $331. The week was characterized mainly by neutral price movement, indicative of market uncertainty. USTC's 24-hour trading range spanned from 0.0's $32 to 0.0's $352. The moving average convergence divergence on the 4-hour price chart is in the negative region, suggesting that the bearish trajectory for USTC may persist shortly. Conversely, the lower bars depicted on the MACD histogram indicate a diminishing selling pressure, potentially indicating an imminent stabilization of prices. An upward shift in the histogram may signify an end to the adverse trend and an escalation in purchasing pressure. Based on the relative strength index reading of 39.17 and the upward trajectory following oversold conditions, a modest increase in Lunc purchasing activity is possible. Moreover, the increased trading volume at Lunc indicates a heightened level of investor attention. If the RSI rating continues to rise and trading volume remains elevated, this may show a more optimistic sentiment and result in additional price appreciation for Lunc. And lastly, about that, the Genuine Labs Terra Classic development proposal secures community approval. In a significant development, the Terra LUNA Classic community has officially passed Proposal 11940. This proposal, put forth by Genuine Labs, a team of experienced developers specializing in Cosmos stacks, has garnered widespread support within the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem. The proposal, conducted through governance voting on the community-backed station wallet, received an impressive 84.98% of yes votes, indicating overwhelming approval for Genuine Labs to actively contribute to Terra Classic's development. However, it's important to note that there were 3.23% of no votes and 0.43% of no with veto votes, alongside 11.37% of abstain votes. The strong endorsement from key validators, including all nodes, further underscores the community's trust in this initiative. Genuine Labs intends to commence its collaboration by focusing on several critical aspects of Terra Classic's development. One key area is the integration and enhancement of IBC hooks and packet-forward middleware features, as well as the improvement of end-to-end testing and interchain testing for the fee tax charging mechanism. Notably, IBC hooks and PFM features have already been implemented on a specific branch, indicating the project's progress in this regard. The Genuine Labs team comprises experienced developers such as Nguyen, Min, and Dong, who have contributed significantly to projects like Osmosis, Quicksilver, Stride, and Composable. Their track record includes work on core repositories like Gravity Bridge, IBC Go, and Cosmos SDK, along with the development of the fee abstraction module, among other assignments. As part of their commitment to enhancing the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem, Genuine Labs is seeking funding of $16,000 with a projected timeline of 6 weeks to accomplish their objectives. This collaborative effort between Terra LUNA Classic and Genuine Labs is poised to bring valuable improvements to the chain, potentially bolstering its position in the blockchain landscape. As development progresses, the community eagerly anticipates the positive impact of these enhancements on Terra Classic's growth and functionality. The Terra LUNA Classic community has given its resounding approval to Genuine Labs' development proposal, marking a significant step towards enhancing Terra Classic's capabilities. Genuine Labs, backed by their experience in Cosmos stacks, is set to contribute valuable improvements, signaling a promising future for the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem. And let's talk a little bit about Lunc technical analysis. The moving average convergence divergence on the 4-hour price chart is moving in the negative region, indicating that the bearish momentum for USTC may continue in the short term. On the other hand, the lower bars on the MACD histogram suggest a drop in selling pressure, which could lead to price stabilization soon. If the histogram turns positive, it could indicate a reversal of the bearish trend and increased purchasing pressure. The relative strength index of 39.17 and the rising trend after being in the oversold range suggest that there may be a minor rise in Lunc purchasing activity. Furthermore, the higher trading volume for Lunc shows an increase in investor interest. If the RSI rating rises further and trading volume remains high, it could suggest a greater positive attitude and lead to further price gains for Lunc. So do you think the latest updates could affect the price of Terra Classic? And how soon can Lunc reach the $1 price? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.